All right, guys, Scott at Sport Rider with the video that you guys have been wanting to see. We've addressed the squiggly light line issue. Polaris has a fix for it. We're just going to show you guys a little bit about it. So a misconception is the squiggly light line is traction control, which it is not. Traction control is this here. Squiggly light line is stability control. Okay? Traction control you can shut off with the switch. Stability light is something completely different. So we've already taken the bolts out to speed this video up for you guys, but we will explain to you how you get to it and how you switch it. So first off, you're going to take the ECU loose with a T20. There's 4 T20s. You're going to take that loose and just fold it over to the side. It's not going to hurt anything. Then you're going to take 2 T40s, one there, one there. You're going to take those 2 out, and then there's one hiding down behind here, in behind the wiring. All you're going to do is loosen that up. So loosen that up a little bit. Don't take it all the way out because it'll be a pain in the butt to get back in. Then find something to prop this up with gently so you can hold it up. And then the switch that you want to find is that one right there. And we've already got the bolt loose, but the switch interacts with the brake pedal. So we're going to take that bolt out and we're going to show you what the switch and the plate look like. It's a 10mm nut bolt. So the switch or the bracket is slotted and the switch is magnetic. Okay, this switch just happens to be on an aluminum bracket. If you want to unplug that for us. The plug-in is back buried in there a little ways, so you guys might have to take a screwdriver or a pry tool to get the dart loose so you can get the connection out so you can unplug it. Now notice what we have in ours. Aluminum. Here is the factory one that came 2020 to 24 early. It's steel. The steel is screwing up the switch interaction and causing the squiggly light line to come on no matter what we do. Polaris has fixed it with the aluminum bracket. Once you put the aluminum bracket back in and adjust it and set it, squiggly light line will not come back on. So you just reverse the process. Plug the switch back in. Kind of a pain to get to, but take your time. You'll start the 10mm by hand. That's good. Oops. We won't put ours all the way in, but you guys get the idea. So you're gonna get the 10mm in, and then you're gonna set that switch in the middle, and it's magnetic, so it's gonna flip-flop back and forth like this. So you're gonna snug that bolt down till that lever that's sticking up in the middle there is in the middle, and it's approximately 4 millimeters from the inside of that U-shaped switch there. If you set it too far out of the switch, the other direction, if you set it too far out, the brake lights will be on constantly. If you set it too far in, you'll have to press the brake too hard in order to get the brake lights to even come on. That's why it's about a 4 millimeter increment, about right there. You'll tighten that bolt back down. You'll come back out. You'll set your pad back down. You'll put your 2 T40s back in. You'll flip your ECU back over. You'll tighten that last T40 up in the back. You'll flip your ECU back over. You put the 4 T20 bolts back in. And away you go. Problem solved. The bracket is about $12. Polaris unfortunately won't have them back in stock until late January, according to what we've found. But we do have brackets in stock here at the shop. So give us a call. We'd be glad to get you one. Thanks.